Today we are going to learn about missing symbols. When we write number sentences in mathematics, we use a lot of different symbols. They include our addition sign, our subtraction sign, our multiplication sign, our division sign, and then our less than, greater than, or equal to signs. We are going to learn how to identify which symbols are missing from equations. Let's start with this number sentence. 1,456 blank 365 equals 1,821. Okay. Looking at this number sentence, I can see that I already have an equal sign. Okay. That means that it would not make sense for me to use the less than or greater than signs, because you wouldn't say 1,456 is greater than 365 equals 1,821. That's not a number sentence we write. So, if there is an equal sign present in a number sentence, the missing symbol must be one of our four operation symbols: adding, subtracting, multiplying, or dividing. Now I can see that this number over here, 1,821, is bigger than the first number in my equation, 1,456. That means that I'm not going to use a subtraction sign, because that would equal a smaller number, and I'm not going to use a division sign, because that would also equal a smaller number. Alright, so I'm left with addition or multiplication. If I multiplied 1,456 times 365, that would be a much bigger number than 1,821. So I'm thinking the missing symbol must be the plus sign, but I'm going to double check my work. 1,456 plus 365. 6 plus 5 is 11. 6 plus 5 is 11, plus 1 is 12. 4 plus 3 is 7, plus 1 is 8. Drop my comma. 1 plus nothing is 1. Okay, so 1,456 plus 365 does indeed equal 1,821. Let's look at a different number sentence. 578 blank 218 plus 70. Looking at this number sentence, I can see that I already have a plus sign, so I already have one of our four operation signs. You wouldn't say that 578 minus 218 plus 70. You need some other sign in there besides just a four operation sign, or your number sentence is incomplete. So because we already have a plus sign, I'm not going to use any of our four operation signs. I'm going to either have to use less than, greater than, or equal to complete my number sentence. So how I would tackle this is I would first add 218 plus 70 and see if it equals 578. Let's try. 218 plus 70. 8 plus 0 is 8. 7 plus 1 is 8. 2 plus nothing is 2. So 288. Well, 578 does not equal 288, so that can't be right. Remember, we read our equation from left to right. So 578 is greater than 288. So that would be our missing symbol.